Finding the perfect Micro ATX case can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, especially when you want high-end features without blowing your budget. But don't worry, we've done the hard work for you. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best Micro ATX cases under $300 of the year, each one packed with premium airflow, killer aesthetics, and top-tier build quality that won't break the bank. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or just looking for a compact powerhouse, we've got something for you, and trust me, one of these cases comes with features you'd never expect at this price point. So make sure to stick around until the end to see which one might be your next build's perfect home. Be sure to check out the links we've included. They'll take you straight to the latest discounts for every product we discuss in this video. Don't miss out on the best deals. So make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5 in our list is Phanteks Eclipse P300A. If you're tired of overheating components and messy cable management, the Phanteks Eclipse P300A might just be the perfect fix. This mid-tower ATX case isn't just about looks. It delivers serious performance without breaking the bank. Right off the bat, the standout feature here is the fully meshed front panel. That means superior airflow to keep your gaming rig cool even during marathon sessions. Whether you're running an ATX, Micro ATX, or Mini ITX build, this case has you covered with flexible motherboard support. Inside, there's plenty of space to house high-end GPUs up to 400 millimeters in length, giving you room for future upgrades. Storage is another strong point. You can mount up to 2 3.5-inch HDDs and 2 2.5-inch SSDs, making it ideal for those who need extra storage for games, videos, or work files. Plus, cable management is a breeze with integrated routing channels and Velcro straps, so your build stays clean and organized. Cooling-wise, the P300A includes a pre-installed 120mm rear fan, but it doesn't stop there. You get additional mounting points for 2 120mm fans in the front and one on top, giving you customizable airflow options. And let's talk aesthetics. The sleek, minimalist design with a tempered glass side panel lets you show off your build in style. With a price tag hovering around $60 to $70, the Phanteks Eclipse P300A is a solid choice for anyone looking for an affordable, high-performance case. If you're serious about airflow, clean cable management, and future-proofing your setup, this case is absolutely worth considering. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Number 4 is the Lianli-Lancool 205M. Is your gaming setup craving a sleek, compact case without sacrificing airflow and performance? Meet the Lianli-Lancool 205M, a Micro ATX case that proves you don't need a massive tower to build an epic rig. Right off the bat, this case delivers a perfect mix of style and functionality. The mesh front panel and top vents ensure solid airflow, keeping your components cool even during intense gaming sessions. Plus, it supports GPUs up to 320mm, meaning you can still rock a powerful graphics card without worrying about space. Storage? You've got room for a 3.5-inch HDD and 2 2.5-inch SSDs, covering most users' needs. Cable management is also on point thanks to a spacious back panel and a PSU shroud that keeps everything looking clean. And let's not forget the tempered glass side panel, because if you've got great hardware, why not show it off? Cooling-wise, you get a pre-installed 120mm fan at the rear, with space for more at the front and top if you want to boost airflow even further. Whether you prefer a sleek black or a crisp white aesthetic, the Lancool 205M has you covered. At around $70 to $80, it's a solid choice for budget-conscious builders who want a premium feel without the premium price. But is it the best compact case for your setup? Stick around and let's find out. Number 3 is the Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L. The Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L might just be the perfect pick. Let's dive in and see if this compact powerhouse lives up to the hype. The Q300L is all about flexibility. Whether you're building a Micro ATX or Mini ITX setup, this case has you covered. It's compact, lightweight, and surprisingly spacious for its size, supporting GPUs up to 360mm in length, meaning it can handle most modern graphics cards without a problem. Cooling? Cooler Master nailed it. The perforated front, top, and bottom panels aren't just for looks. They maximize airflow to keep your system running cool. Out of the box, you get a pre-installed 120mm rear fan, but you can add more at the front, top, and bottom for a fully customized cooling setup. Storage options are solid too, with space for one 3.5-inch HDD and two 2.5-inch SSDs, enough for most builds. And let's talk about price. At around $50 to $60, this case punches way above its weight, making it a go-to choice for budget-conscious builders who don't want to compromise on style or performance. So is the Cooler Master MasterBox Q300L the right case for your next build? Stick around to find out why it's one of the best budget cases on the market. Number 2 is the NZXT H510. If you're looking for a sleek, easy-to-build-in case without breaking the bank, the NZXT H510 might be exactly what you need. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. This mid-tower ATX case has been a favorite among PC builders for years, and for good reason. It supports ATX, Micro Atx, and Mini Atx motherboards, giving you flexibility no matter what kind of setup you're going for. The tempered glass side panel shows off your build, while the minimalist front panel keeps things looking clean and modern. Space-wise, you won't have to worry about squeezing in a powerful GPU. This case supports graphics cards up to 381mm in length, which covers most high-end options. Storage? No problem. With two 3.5-inch HDD bays and one 2.5-inch SSD mount, you've got enough room for your games, files, and operating system without cluttering your case. One of the biggest selling points of the H510 is its cable management system. NZXT has pre-installed channels and straps to make routing cables easier, keeping your setup looking neat without the headache. Cooling is also well thought out, with two pre-installed 120mm fans, one at the rear and one at the top, and support for additional fans or radiators if you want better airflow. And let's talk about connectivity. You get a USB Type-C port right on the front panel, which is a nice touch for modern peripherals. For around $70 to $80, this case delivers a lot for the price. Number 1 is the Height Y70 Persona 3 Reload Edition. The Height Y70 Persona 3 Reload Edition isn't just a case, it's a collector's dream. This limited edition mid-tower ATX case blends high-end performance with a sleek, custom design straight out of Persona 3. From the moment you unbox it, you'll notice the stunning custom artwork and branding, making it stand out from your typical gaming setup. Whether you're a hardcore Persona fan or just love unique, stylish PC cases, this one grabs attention. But let's talk about what really matters: performance. The Y70 supports ATX, Micro Atx, and Mini Atx motherboards, so no matter what kind of build you're planning, it's got you covered. Worried about GPU clearance? This case supports graphics cards up to 360mm, meaning it can handle some of the biggest, most powerful GPUs on the market with ease. Storage space is solid too. You get two 3.5-inch HDD bays and two 2.5-inch SSD mounts, giving you plenty of room for a high-speed SSD setup while still keeping extra space for bulk storage. And then there's the design. Tempered glass on the front and side panels means you get a full, unobstructed view of your components, RGB lighting, and any custom mods you add. So is this the ultimate case for Persona 3 fans and high-performance PC builders? Stick around because we're breaking down everything that makes this case worth your time.